You know, on this planet, we don't know about other planets, but we know about Earth. And this is our world. Okay. And on this Earth, there are a lot of creatures. And all those creatures are the creation of God Almighty. That is superpower. God means that runs all the universe. Planet is a small thing. God is that. God is one that runs all the universe, not only this planet but other planets also. Not only other planets but all the universe. God is so great, and God has made a lot of things. Because of God, we are here. God has developed all the planets, all the objects that we see in this universe, like sky, like stars, like other planets, like nature, like everything. So we are we are the inhabitants of the earth. We live on the earth. Earth is also a creation of God. And on this earth, we know, if we don't talk about other things, about other planets, we don't know what is there on other planets. Though we are trying to find out what is there on Mars, what is there on Moon, what is there on other planets, though we have not been able to reach so many planets by now. We have just reached by Moon and by Mars. Not we, but our technology has reached there. So we know a little about them, but a little, so little. But we know very well about the earth, that God has made all the things, all the objects that we see. Like nature is also a gift of God. Hmm? God has created a lot of creatures, and in those creatures, there are a lot of animals, birds. We human beings are also the creature of God. But there is much difference between human beings and other alive things, like other animals, like other birds. There is too much difference. So if you are sad to compare human being, that you know very well that human being is the best creation of God. No other animal or no other bird or no other living being is like human being. So, and you know very well what are the differences between human being and other creatures. You know very well that what are the similarities. Yes, there are a lot of similarities, but however, human being is different. In what way you can say that? What has God given human beings that is not with other creatures? So you can think about it. This is very simple topic, and it is a great thing that. And I have told you many things. You can talk about physical differences. You can talk about similarities, like we all eat different types of things as animals eat, as we eat. There are so many similarities, but there are so many differences. Those differences may be physical differences or mental differences. So you have to think about it. And I think now the topic is clear to you. And it is a good thing that I have got some names: Gaurav, Rakshit, Harshit, Sushil, Kabir, or Yamini. Very good. Now listen to the speakers who are expressing their views regarding the topic, and be careful at the time of listening so that you can gain some ideas, and with the help of these ideas you will definitely improve your thoughts. Okay, so without giving you more time, now I'm starting today's speaking session, and I'm starting with Gaurav.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir. I am Gaurav. Today's topic is why human being is different from other creatures on Earth. So, first of all, human being is very intelligent. It can process a lot of things in its brain, and hu- human has many capabilities that a normal creature can't. Like, like they can, like human can speak. Well, all creatures have their communication language, but we don't know. We are talking about humans.
Hmm.
So human can speak and they can walk, they can sit, they can think a lot, and they can solve many hard problems, and they can make a solution for
Hmm.
a problem, and they can and also they can save life and many other things that a human can do.
Hmm. Hmm.
So, and as you know, that human has made the technology too far that the technology has reached the space now to the moon and the Mars, and now we are planning to go to a planet of Saturn.
Hmm.
So the technology is very high for humans and they are very intelligent. That's it. Thank you, sir.
आज हिल ज्यादा रहा था तू, अच्छे से नहीं बैठा हुआ है तू आज। तो रिकॉर्डिंग देखता होगा ना अपना, कैसा लगता होगा तू सूगला सा। देखना, कंपेयर करना, सैटरडे की रिकॉर्डिंग में कितना अच्छा लग रहा है तू, बिल्कुल एक अच्छे बच्चे की तरह बैठा हुआ दिख रहा है, बहुत शानदार। और आज की रिकॉर्डिंग देखना, तो कितनी बार समझाता हूँ मैं तेरे को, ढंग से बैठा कर, दिखा कर पूरा। कितनी बार समझाता हूँ मैं तेरे को, है? सब कुछ है, इंटेलिजेंट है, बहुत अच्छा है, टैलेंटेड है, लेकिन थोड़ा सा थोड़ा सा कंट्रोल कर बेटा अपने आप को, है ना बेटा? हाँ बेटा, कुछ चीजें बहुत जरूरी होती हैं बेटा लाइफ में, उनको फॉलो करो आप। समझ गया ना बेटा? यस। नाउ रक्षित, बहुत अच्छा बोला,
Yes,
शाबाश, वेरी
sir.
गुड, नाइस स्पीकिंग, वेरी गुड। अब थोड़ा सा अपना पोस्चर ठीक कर बेटा बैठने का, है ना? यस, नाउ रक्षित।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Akshit Maurya, and today I'm telling on the topic that is human beings. We know that God created this planet and the whole universe, and in which the nature and humans and all the living beings and non-living things
हम्म।
comes
हम्म।
come and sir mic चालू किसी का?
बेटा बंद करना माइक, बेटा किसका चालू है? बोल बेटा।
Yes, sir. And we know that humans are known as the best creation of God
हम्म।
because we know that before humans there were many living organisms on this planet. Like the biggest example we can tell dinosaurs.
वेरी गुड।
But that time we see that the earth was not developed. The whole earth was covered with forests and clear land and
शाबाश।
oceans, seas, etc.
हम्म।
But we know that an asteroid got a hit to the earth and that the and dinosaurs got extinction and after this after this humans came by evolving eventually, and then we know that after the coming of humans, many new inventions came, and now we can see that because of humans and human intelligence, we are developing very much, and we are developed very much.
Hmm.
And we know that there is a term named human capital, which
Hmm.
means that human is a type of creature which can use other capitals or
शाबाश,
creations,
बहुत बढ़िया.
like a human can make the best use of nature by using of trees for gaining food and oxygen, and many more things, and using of fossil fuels for their own benefits,
शाबाश. Hmm.
and many examples. And we can take many have humans have made this thing very very useful, and before that it can be not useful,
Hmm.
it can't be useful.
Hmm.
And but in the beginning, humans were doing good, and they were not harming nature. But now, as they are growing and making new inventions and developing, so the humans are also harming the nature,
Hmm.
which God has given us, so that we can live in this world. And because we know that without nature, there is सर अस्तित्व क्या बोलेंगे?
Existence.
And because without nature there is no existence of humans, and God has created this universe like this not and in this and we know that in this universe God has created many things. Like we see that we live on a planet Earth, and this is a very big planet. But we go further, so we find that there are other planets and asteroids,
Hmm.
stars, and many other things. And after that, we see that there is a big solar system, and after that, many solar systems,
शाबाश
and
बेटा.
after that our Milky Way galaxy come. But after that, there are many galaxies come, that many millions of galaxies come, that makes a universe. And after that, there are many multiverse. So we
Hmm.
can see that God has made many unbelievable details in this universe, multiverse, or we can say in the world.
Hmm.
And God has created that in on the earth, all the living things and nature depend on each other. Like humans are depend on the nature for their food, shelter, and all the basic needs and essential needs. And animals are also dependent on each other for gaining food and other
Hmm.
requirements,
Hmm.
that we can call food, a chain of food chain, and by which they survive in this world. And so we can say that god has created god has created many creations, but the best creation we can see, that is humans. Sir, that's it.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बोला बेटा. Very good. शाबाश. Everything was very nice. Keep it up बेटा. हर्षित. Hmm.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Arshit More, and today's my topic is the biggest or the greatest creation of God, humans. As you all know very well, that human is the greatest invention of or greatest development of God. Humans are capable of doing many things which are essential in today's world,
Hmm.
and humans are capable of doing all the things that all the animals or organisms are not capable to do those things.
Hmm.
And humans, and we can say that humans have evolved
Hmm.
themselves
Very
in
good.
many
Very good. हाँ.
we can see that nowadays the humans have a brilliant mind and a mindset, and we can see that from a long time the human has made the utilization of many things such as fossil fuels, trees, and many things. But nowadays we can see that some humans are not caring about their environment, and they are trying to destroy their own environment by themselves by cutting the trees which may harm themselves in the future. And I can say that humans are biggest creature in almost every aspect, because the utilization of all the things can be only done by humans, and humans can make the full use of nature and the resources that we obtain from nature and human
शाबाश
made
बहुत बढ़िया हाँ
resources. And we can say that from a long time we have developed a lot, and we have done many things, and we have also utilized our world, and made it we have made it to survive, and to we have also made it to comfortable. And in my view, it is correct that human is one of the greatest creation of God, because we can say that there is a food chain in which all the organisms are important, and therefore humans also play an important role in maintaining that food chain uh, by uh, by producing CO2. But nowadays we can see that amount of CO2 is much more than required. So in my view, humans are great, but not in all aspects,
वेरी गुड
but in
शाबाश
most of the aspects. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बहुत बढ़िया वेरी गुड शाबाश बेटा यस सुशील
Yes, hello everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am a student of the Raman on an integral classes of 16. And today I have a topic to speak, whose name is what is difference between human being and animals. As you know that the God is creator, and the God has created many things, like many planets, many creatures, asteroids, etc. And if I talk on Earth, it has created many kind of creatures like whale, dog, fish, god, etc. And if I talk about the its best creation, that is human being. Why? The God has given them many kind of qualities which make them extraordinary on this earth. Although human being has some same qualities which animals has, but many things make them different.
शाबाश बहुत बढ़िया हाँ
If I talk about the same qualities that are human can listen and animals can also listen, and human eat food and they also eat food, and animals get oxygen from the nature, and human being also get. But I think that human being is using more. I think that human being is taking more benefits of nature gifts, like fossil fuel, and they are using it for their transport, and best quality which makes them different, that is the power of thinking.
शाबाश वेरी गुड हाँ
Because by thinking they have developed many kind of technologies, and they have also reached on the moon, and they are also trying to reach on other planets, like Mars and on Sun and Jupiter,
Hmm.
etc.
Hmm.
And human being has a social structure in their life, but
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बोला
without
बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया वर्डिंग, बहुत बढ़िया वोकेबलरी, वेरी गुड. हाँ.
so they don't have it.
Hmm.
And there is also a quality which makes them different from animals, that is to feel their feelings.
Hmm.
Although animals have their own language, but
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया.
but we don't but we can't understand. And human being has also many kind of languages, but to feel the feelings of others, it makes them different from
Hmm.
different from them.
Hmm. Hmm.
So at last I want to say that human being is the best creation of God. So that's it.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, वोकेबलरी बहुत अच्छी यूज की, शाबाश. नाउ कबीर.
I'm the student of Ramad Online Interactive Class HB. This is the creation so and
वॉइस इज नॉट क्लियर.
God has
The voice is not clear.
आ रही है अब?
बोलो.
God, as we all know that God made many things like human being, animals, nature, etc. Human being is called the biggest creation of God
Hmm.
because it can do anything. Human being has mind and other animals do mind.
Hmm.
So mind is the biggest thing the human because can only use by it can only use by human.
Hmm.
Animals cannot use mind,
Hmm.
so they are not. सर विकास क्या कहते हैं?
They cannot develop. They cannot grow.
They
हाँ.
cannot develop.
Mentally. हाँ.
So that's why they cannot. So that's why a human being is the biggest creation in the world.
Hmm.
We can see that we reach on the moon, Mars, Jupiter, etc. These planets of Milky Way galaxies, and we can see that we go there by the spaceship,
Hmm.
and spaceship is made by the human.
Hmm.
Human develop many technology by which we can do many things, like we can make water, etc.
Hmm.
So human being has done many things which is unbelievable,
Hmm.
like
Hmm. क्या हो गया?
we can live comfortably.
Hmm.
But God create many unbelievable things, like our Earth, our Milky Way galaxies, and many multiverse. But God create nature, animals, etc. God create that things which we can use and
शाबाश.
use in our
बहुत बढ़िया.
many important things.
शाबाश.
Like God has made oxygen which we use in respiration.
Respiration. हाँ. शाबाश, शाबाश, बोलो.
Yes.
बहुत बढ़िया बोल रहे हो. वेरी गुड,
So,
बोलते रहो. Hmm.
so we can say that the God is the most um, important gift for our for us,
Hmm.
and human being is the most perfect creation by God. Yes,
Correct.
that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया बोला, हाँ, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा बोला बेटा, जो वेरी गुड, नाइस परफॉर्मेंस, शाबाश। यामिनी।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Yashashvi Saw. I am the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes. Today, I am again here with a new topic.
शाबाश।
The name of topic is human beings.
हम्म,
Why they are called special and God's best creation.
हम्म,
I think that the word we all have familiar with the word of human being
हाँ,
because
हाँ,
we all are included in this world. There are no separation according to our caste, our caste, our dharma, etc.
हम्म,
Eh, until and unless in the eyes of God, we all are only human beings. Our shape, our creation, and our organization is almost same.
हम्म,
In a according to science, the humans are special and wisest, the
हम्म,
wisest
शाबाश।
creature on the earth.
हम्म,
But according to our holy books and according to God, the humans are the best creatures because in this human life they can do so many things, like they can help others, they can uh, use nature, they can improve earth, they can worship God and maintain their cultures.
हम्म,
In our holy books, we can read that there are not uh,
आवाज सही नहीं आ रही।
creature.
बोलो 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 बोलो, बोलते रहो।
Hello.
हाँ, बोलो बेटा, बोल बेटा, बोल बेटा।
According to
हाँ,
holy book, but all 36 crore years are present on the earth, and the humans are the most powerful and wise.
हम्म,
Because the human developed their self by with time, and now the humans are able to communicate with a proper. They can live their life properly, and they can maintain manners, they can maintain their cultures, etc.
हम्म,
According to science, the humans are the most wise because they learn about and about how to use nature properly. According to science, everything is useless until we don't know about of its uses.
हम्म,
Humans are able to understand it. In the on our earth there is a food chain. In this food chain, each and everything is important, and every creature play their own role. And
शाबाश।
one also one of them who maintain this chain.
वेरी गुड बेटा, हाँ।
In my all creators are beautiful and they all have their own interests. Some of them are not able for all of this. The humans are self-destroying creatures.
हम्म,
They destroy their self. They destroy. They will destroy their self by themselves. So they are so dangerous. Thank you, sir. That's it.
वेरी गुड बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बेटा। थोड़ी आवाज स्टेबल नहीं रही तुम्हारी, आज स्टेबल हो गई, बाकी बहुत अच्छा बोला बेटा, वेरी गुड बेटा, कीप इट अप। यस, आदित्य।
Yes, sir.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Donavit. I am a student of Ramban online interactive classes. So I'm beginning today is we have a new topic that is human beings.
आराम से बोलना बेटा, तसल्ली से, हाँ, फोकस करके, हाँ.
Yes sir. As you all know that human beings brain is very high level brain because they developed him and yeah her always. And as we all know that God create humans and all creatures.
Hmm.
Human beings IQ is very high level uh, because because they study books and animals don't learn any language, so their IQ level is very low and human IQ
शाबाश,
is very
वेरी गुड.
high level.
हाँ, थोड़ा अच्छा अच्छे से फोकस करके और फोकस कर थोड़ा सा भी बोल. अच्छा बोल रहा है, वेरी गुड.
Yes sir. Now a time humans develop them day by day and they try to and now they try go to Jupiter. Sorry, for Saturn.
टेंस का ध्यान रखा कर थोड़ा. दे आर ट्राइंग.
They are trying to go to Saturn, and this is very nice thing. They try going to Saturn. As you know that Indian humans brain is very high level brain because because uh, because they develop in because they develop them their brain very smartly and sir चालाकी से मतलब
क्लेवरली.
cleverly, and other countries don't try develop their brain. They say that our brain is the highest brain in the world but they are wrong. We you want to any smart brain, any smart human brain, so you practice and cleverly train our brain like yes sir, Albert Einstein, because their brain is very high level. Why? Sorry, how? Because they developed their brain and trained us. And ho- and this is very nice. We develop our brain because our brain is very main organ in our body which control all things, and in the future the humans develop a vehicle which go to outer space, and this is very nice thing. Yes sir, that's it.
एक तो तुम्हारी वर्ब फॉर्म बिल्कुल गलत आती है. कोई टेंस का ध्यान नहीं रखते हो तुम. फ्यूचर की बात कर रहे हो और कोई विल लगा रहे हो ना कुछ और लगा रहे हो. समझ गए आप. परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा नहीं है सर आपका. क्लियर हो गई बात आपको. आप एक काम करेंगे अब. राइटिंग करेंगे रोजाना एक पेज, ठीक है, और उसको सेंड करेंगे आप मेरे पास. डेली आपका एक काम है. अब आपके सेंटेंसेस प्रॉपर नहीं बन रहे हैं बेटा अभी, ठीक है ना. वर्ब फॉर्म बहुत ज्यादा गलत कर रहे हो आप अभी. क्लियर? ये ठीक करने हैं सर आपको. ओके
ओके सर.
हाँ सर.
यस सर.
चलिए ओके. नेक्स्ट लक्ष्मी.
Yes,
सुना
sir.
करो दूसरों को ध्यान से. हाँ.
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today our topic is what is the difference between human beings and difference between human beings and other creatures. Human beings can think about many things and they are capable to do work, and they are very intelligent, and they can they can imagine a lot of things and
शाबाश.
express
वेरी गुड. हाँ.
express their view to other person, and a living human being can do anything, whatever he likes, but a dead man can do nothing, and they have to live to fulfill their dreams, but the other creatures live to survive
Shabash.
their life.
Very good.
They have no dream, and when the human beings were born
Very
in
good यार, बहुत
were
बढ़िया.
born in the world, and then they developed a lot of things. They changed our earth, and many trees are cut, by which many things are made, and human use complex language, and other person are capable to understand their language, but the animal have over one language. We can't understand their language, and they are the sum total of all things, like soil, mind,
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया.
and a lot of things, and human life is considered precious life, and
Very good.
and human developed a lot of technology, by which we had reached on moon,
On the moon, हाँ. Very good, very good.
on the moon,
बोलते जाओ.
and we made a lot of things, and that's it, sir.
वेरी गुड यार बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया. आदित्य ध्यान से सुना करो बेटा, इम्प्रूव करो अपने आप को बेटा, है ना. हाँ, अब तुम्हारे पास अगर टाइम हो ना तो शाम को 6 से 7 वाला बैच लिया करो, आप रिवाइज करो बेटा एक बार आप. ठीक है बेटा, कोशिश करो बेटा एक बार, अगर टाइम अवेलेबल है तो. नहीं तो आप ठीक करो बेटा, थोड़ा सा सेंटेंस फ्रेमिंग पे ध्यान दो आप, थोड़ा सा रोजाना लिख करके भेजा करो मेरे पास. ओके खुशी.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Khushi Gujjar. My topic is human beings. Different. Yes, sir. Human beings are different to other creature, and because they are very intelligent, and they have they are develop their future, and
आर क्यों लगा रहे हो, आराम से बोलो, फोकस करो.
human beings have thinking capacity, by which develop their lives, and human beings have
कनेक्टिविटी प्रॉपर नहीं है बेटा. कनेक्टिविटी प्रॉपर नहीं है बेटा. चलो इसको दोबारा बुलवाएंगे बाद में. कनेक्टिविटी प्रॉपर नहीं है बेटा.
अब आ रही है सर?
नहीं आ रही बेटा आवाज सही तुम्हारी। इसको ठीक करके आओ, मैं काजल को बुलाता हूँ जब तक। काजल आओ।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kajan Meena. Today, my topic is human beings. As we all know that human is a creature of God, and
क्या बात है, तुम्हारी भी नहीं आ रही आवाज।
sir, आवाज नहीं आ रही?
अब आ रही है, बोलो।
Yes, sir. There are so many differences between human being and other creatures, like human being have their own uh, like human being speak, and other creatures can't speak, and uh, but all creatures create by God.
Have been
And
created।
sorry,
कोई बात नहीं, आगे बोलो। हाँ बोलो।
yes, sir. All creatures have been created by God, and but some differences are.
But there are some differences, इसलिए देयर का यूज सिखाया बेटा। आगे बोल बेटा।
Okay, sir. But
घबराए मत। हाँ।
there are so many differences between human being and other creatures. Human being has its own thinking capacity,
शाबाश।
and
बोलो बोलो, घबराओ मत।
and human being can think about what is wrong and what is right. But other creatures are not thinking, and
आ रहा हूँ मैं। हाँ बेटा।
yes, sir.